We are pleased to show you the 2019 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.